Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, I will be making some very delicious, juicy palm butter. I have been craving this for some time, so I'm excited. If you're ready, let's get started right now. This is what I will be using for my protein. Feel free to use any kind of meat you have. Next, I will add some seasoning, peppers, onion, and some water. I will steam the meat for 15 to 25 minutes. I have this recipe in my cookbook on Amazon, 20 Best Liberian Recipes. In the cookbook, I have step-by-step instructions if you are making palm butter from scratch or using the can. This is the brand I will be using. I have it in a bowl. Don't be like me. Use a bigger bowl. I am adding some hot water. I will mix this around and let it sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I will add this to a pot. If there is sand at the bottom, I will avoid adding it. I added some seasoning and the other half of the peppers and onion. I will cook this for 15 minutes. Then I will add the liquid from the meat to the palm butter. This was everything I wanted and more. I hope you give this a try, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.